We all know that right now things are getting a bit tense up. There are so many moving parts, and that is exactly why I'm trading a bit different right now. So I will just engage whatever that I see. Of course, I will still be waiting for my confirmation before engaging it, but I will not be focusing on any particular news apart from commodities, of course, to trade the forex market. And this is because this is how I handle and this is how I analyze the market, especially when things are getting messy. From my experience, this is the best way to do it. Of course, you can have your own way, you can manage it yourself, whether you want to stay away from the trade or whatsoever. So euro dollar, what I see over here is there's a bullish shark pattern opportunity that's forming up at 1.1062. And of course, if you have really shorted it on this bearish godly pattern that we've been talking for weeks and months, congratulations, you have a running profits of 430 pips. Follow your own trading rules. For me, I'll just hang in there and see how the candlesticks form. Of course, a bigger decision is should based on the weekly chart because the chart is based on a weekly chart right now. Right? If you hit on the daily chart, buying opportunity on the daily chart include this bullish crab pattern that require me to wait for a confirmation. A confirmation to me is touching the furthest end and bounce back up, right? That is the minimum confirmation I'm looking for at 1.1265. So you might be thinking at this time, hey, Rain, daily chart and weekly chart, you are looking at different points of a reversal or retracement move. So which is which, right? So I'll focus on specific time frame, whichever that form out first, I'll just engage it. As you can see and observe from the chart, even if it's moving down, it has these ebbs and flow that's moving, right? So this could be a smaller picture of the bigger picture over here. And of course, at sometimes it could be the leading movement of the next move of the bigger picture. So if you're confused to this, get some help. If you love what we are sharing, then just drop me a DM, right? And the other way of handling it, just trade what you see and of course, manage your risk well. For our chart, a bullish shark pattern over here. I'm looking for a buying opportunity at 1.1386. That doesn't discount any selling opportunity should it arise. As I've mentioned earlier on, any trading setup that form out, I'll just trigger it. Of course, with the confirmation that I'm familiar with, which is the magic candle confirmation. On the 1 hour chart, I'm waiting for a retest back up on this trend line break. If you follow me for quite some time, you know I love this kind of setup, basically on this trend line, right? So with technology nowadays, I can set a lot on trend lines, and situation like this might not have a specific price. Of course, you can use support resistance, but you just have to keep on check in and check out on every candle bar close. In this case, not that bad. It's 1 hour chart, so you check in every 1 hour. So for me, it would be much simpler because with a smartwatch, it trigger, I receive the alert and I have to look and see whether it has my information that I'm looking for. 15-minute chart, nothing much for me. Once again, if you love to do this with just spending 15 minutes a day, drop me a DM.